Hey guys, I wanted to do a quick recording just real quick before I go to bed. Make sure you're completely ready for the assignments this week for Algebra 2. A bunch of you did not watch the videos. It was very clear in your assignments from the scavenger hunt to those skill builders. You guys need to watch the lesson videos. That is like in class getting instruction. That's where you're getting it. But one thing I want to show you, which I Zoomed with one student and they didn't know where everything was exactly. So I'm going to show you real quick. I got to show you a couple of things. So bear with me. Watch this before you do this week's stuff. I'm going to share my screen. And when you go to, oh gosh, sorry, I'm showing off lots of things. Okay, when you go to Canvas, you need to be in modules, okay? That's where I have everything set up really nice and neat. Now these old modules from like chapter 5, you can minimize by pushing that little arrow. And then here's the important stuff. And then, you know, we just did last week. So if you're done with it, minimize it. You don't have to keep looking at it. You might want to leave the important information out, but then you'll have April 6th through 10th, okay? So each day there's a page. So you click, this says what to do for that day, has the video, has the practice. Now the practice leads you to big ideas. That's why you had to watch that first video last week, the intro video. It showed you how to set up this account, okay? So I'm gonna go in as a student here. That's an idea it gave me. And so this is what your student account looks like. So you're gonna find assignments here. Under assignments, the tabs up top. I obviously have more, but obviously some are locked. Those are for next week, so don't worry about those. And yeah, you're like 3 assignments for next week. 2 of them are super, super short. But here's 7.1. You would click on it. It's locked right now until Monday morning, midnight Monday morning. But this is where you're going to find them. As you do questions in Big Ideas, you can have it check that answer and then you can correct it over and over and over again until you get it right. And then you move on to the next question. If you flat out can't get a question, don't worry. I mean, it's not the end of the world. But once you submit these assignments in Big Ideas, you cannot resubmit them. So get the grade you want before you submit it. I have office hours Monday and Wednesday from 9 to 11, Tuesday, Thursday from 10 to 11. Mrs. Witt has office hours from 1 to 3 on Monday and Wednesday. You can email me. We can set up a separate time if we need to, but this is how you're going to do it. There's a couple of discussion questions for the week as well. So if we go back to go back to my modules here. Well, and see, for me, modules are also my home page. So I can go to home and there they are too. Tuesday and Thursday, there's just discussion questions and it has the link in that page to everything you have to do. Okay. So make sure that's what you're using to make sure you get everything done for the day. I hope you guys all had a great weekend. And you can get things done in your own time this week, but everything is due by end of day Friday. Okay. If you're having trouble meeting that deadline, you have to contact me. I hope you guys have a great week and I'll see you tomorrow. And I have to end.